Hello viewers, welcome to NS Commerce Academy. I am Narsini Srinivas, Faculty of Commerce. Today I want to discuss with you short answers and essay type questions of third semester Advanced Accountancy subject. In this subject, we are having the 5 units. 5 units carries equal marks, and this question paper is designed for 80 marks paper. In this question paper, we are having the two parts. Part A short answer questions and part B essay type questions. And in part A, 8 questions will be given to the students, and the student has to answer any 5 of the questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 4 5 are 20 marks will be there. And in case of essay type questions, 5 units are there. From each unit to 2 questions will be there. One theory question and another one is problem work. So in my suggestion, please try to attend to all the problem oriented questions which will makes easy to score good marks. Okay friends, come to the point here I have given some of the important questions from theory as well as problem oriented questions. Please consider all the problem oriented questions, only the model questions for you, but don't take as this, don't expect as this. The questions will be there in the question paper. Okay. So before going to start my topic, I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel, press on bell button, give some likes. It will makes me a lot of encouragement to do further videos. Okay, friends, come to the point. Unit number 1, short answer questions. First one, admission of a partner. Second one, retirement of a partner. Third one, partnership deed. Fourth one, A and B are shares profit in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted C as a new partner. Their new profit sharing ratio is 7:5:4. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. Second question. P and Q are sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Admitted are on 3 by 7th share in the new from which he takes 2 by 7th from P and 1 by 7th from Q. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Sixth question. Explain fixed and fluctuating capitals of partnership in a firm. Okay friends. సో మనకు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ లోపల 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారు. 8లో 5 థియరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పైన ఫోకస్ చేసినట్లయితే మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంది. అదేవిధంగా థియరీ కూడా ఈక్వల్గా వెయిటేజ్ ఉంటుంది. డోంట్ అండర్ ఎస్టిమేట్ ద థియరీ. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ essay type questions. What is partnership? Explain and types of partners. Second question. Explain how goodwill is calculated during admission and retirement of a partner. Third question. What is partnership deed? Explain legal provisions in the absence of partnership deed. Fourth question. PQ are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. The balance sheet has on 31st March 2023 was as below. Liabilities and assets. First, liabilities. Creditors 38,000. Outstanding liabilities 3,000. Capital of A 19,000. B 14,000. Overall 33,000. Come to the asset side. Cash 6,000. Stock 19,000. Prepaid insurance 500. Debtors 8,400 minus provisions 400. Overall 8,000. Buildings 14,000. Machinery 18,000. Furniture 9,000. So the totals of balance sheet is 74,500. Are admitted as a new partnership introducing capital or 16,000. The new profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Following adjustments are made. Stock to be depreciated by 5%. Provisions for doubtful debts is to be 6,000. Furniture is to be depreciated by 15,000. Building is valued at 90,000. Prepare or revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet of after admission of R. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మనం రివాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్, బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్, క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్స్ మనం కొత్తగా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్. ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వాజ్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఆఫ్ రాము అండ్ Ravindra who are sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2 on 31st March 2022. So here we are having the balance sheet as of 31st March 2022. Liabilities general reserve 35,000, creditors 75,000, Ramu capital 30,000, Ravindra capital 20,000. Overall 1,60,000. Asset side, cash and bank balance 20,000, debtors 50,000, stock 20,000, plant and machinery 55,000, buildings 50,000. Overall 1,60,000. They agreed to admit Ramesh into partnership on the following terms. First one, Ramesh was to be given 1/3 share in the profit and to be bring 25,000 as capital and 15,000 as his share of goodwill. The value of stock and plant were to be reduced by 10%. Create 5% provision for doubtful debts on debtors. The building account was appreciated by 18%. The goodwill amount was to be withdrawn by the old partners. You are required to prepare a revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. Okay friends, సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ లో పార్ట్నర్షిప్ పైన మనకి ఎక్కువగా ఫోకస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. పార్ట్నర్షిప్ లోపల మరి ప్రాఫిట్ షేరింగ్ రేషియోస్ కానీ, అదేవిధంగా రివాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్, క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్, బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ వాటిపైన ఎక్కువగా ఫోకస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలని మీకు అందరికి కూడా ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలని కోరుతున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 2, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, dissolution of partnership firm. Second one, Garner and Murray case study. Third question, insolvency of partner. Fourth question, again we are having the problem oriented model question. A, B and C sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 2/3, 2/3 and 2/5, and 1/5 capitals contributed for A 30,000, B 10,000, C 4,000. Cash in hand 10,000 and realization loss 34,000. Show the necessary ledger account assuming C is insolvent and is unable to bring in anything in respect of his deficiency. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఇన్సాల్వెన్సీ అకౌంట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాని యొక్క ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనే దానిపైన ఎక్కువగా అది ఫోకస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ రవి అండ్ తేజ వారు ఇన్ partnership and agreement is to dissolve. The assets realized 30,000 and liabilities 2,60,000. Assets to 3 lakhs and liabilities 2,60,000. Ravi's capital 40,000, Teja's capital 2,60,000. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Show realization account. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం రిలేషన్ అకౌంట్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలనేది మీకు ఐడియా అనేది ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది డిజల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్ అండ్ డిజల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్మ్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్, డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ రియలైజేషన్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ రివల్యూషన్ అకౌంట్. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ డిజల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్మ్ and its accounting treatment. Fourth question, what do you mean by insolvency of a partner? Explain it with the help of Garner and Murray case study. The following was balance sheet of A, B, C and D on 31st December 2003. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2023. Liabilities, creditors 38,000, capital of A 20,000, capital of B 10,000, overall total 68,000. Assets, cash at bank 6,000, sundry assets 45,000, C's capital 12,000, D's capital 5,000, 68,000. Okay, the assets realized to sundry assets 55,000, goodwill 10,000, realization expenses 2,000. C was become insolvent and nothing was realized from his private estate. Show capital account of partners. సో ఇక్కడ మనం క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్ అనేది కొత్తదాన్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. సి ఇన్సాల్వెంట్ అండ్ కాబట్టి ఆ తర్వాత క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్స్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటాయి అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 3, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, బోనస్ షేర్స్. Second question, difference between shares and debentures. Third question, reissue of fortified shares. Fourth question, underwriting types. Fifth question, Railway Limited issues 4 lakhs shares of 10,000 each at a premium of 2. All the amount should be paid on application. 3 lakhs applications were received and fully allocated. Write the journal entries. సో ఇక్కడ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ అనేది మనము రాయాలి. ఓకే, షేర్స్ మనము ఇష్యూ చేసినప్పుడు, వాటిని అలాట్మెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు, అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వాటి సంబంధించిన టోటల్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ అనేది ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ఏ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఈక్విటీ అండ్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ షేర్స్? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ అండర్ రైటింగ్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, డిఫైన్ డిబెంచర్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ డిబెంచర్స్? థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, explain guidelines issued by SEBI for issue of bonus shares. Fourth question, Sharma Limited issues 10,000 debentures 10% on 1st April 2019 at a discount of 5% repayable in annual drawings of 25,000 commencing on from 31st December. Following the company's year ends 31st March. The journalized the above transactions for 4 years 31st March 2019. Assuming that the company decided to write off debentures discount account during the life of the debentures. Fifth question, define bonus shares. When are they issued? Explain the sources from which they are issued. Okay, next short answer. Fourth unit, short answer questions. First one, company final accounts. Second one, profit prior to incorporation. Third question, what is reserve capital? Fourth question, a company had purchased a business on January 1st, 2017. The company received its certificates of incorporation 1st June 2017. The total sales during the year were 13 lakhs 25,000. Find out the pre-incorporation and post-incorporation sales. Fifth question, write a note on Companies Act 2013. Next essay type questions. Explain general instructions to prepare statement of profit and loss under the new schedule of company. Second, how the profits prior to incorporation is ascertained and for what purpose it can be utilized. Third, explain the sales ratio and weighted time ratios are calculated. Give examples. Fourth one, from the following trial balance and adjustments, prepare final account of Sun Company Limited years for the year ending 31st to March 2015. Okay, here debit amounts. Opening balance 7,500, purchases 24,500, fixed assets 7,900, wages 8,000, discount 700, salaries 27,000, debtors 8,000, cash at bank 32,500, and credit side sales 35,000, share capital 15,000, discount 500, profit and loss account as on 31st March 2014 1,500, creditors 4,550. Overall balances are 56,550. Adjustments. Closing stock 7,990. Depreciation 5% on fixed assets. Make a provision of 5% to debtors. Salaries outstanding 3,000. Okay. With one, Seeker Company Limited incorporation on 1st April 2016 and acquire a business with effect from 1st January 2016. The total sales for the year 2016 were 1,80,000 sales. For January and February, 1 by 2 times the average sales. Sales from March to July, 2 by 3rd of the average sales. August to September, 1 by 4 to thereafter double the average monthly sales. Calculated time ratio and sales ratio. Next to fifth unit, short answer questions. Valuation of goodwill, valuation of shares, capitalization method of goodwill valuation. Fourth one, from the following information calculate goodwill as 2 years purchase of super profits, capital employed 20 2,80,000, average profit 50,000, normal rate of return 10%. Fifth question, from the following information calculate the share value under yield method, average profit to 1,87,500, share capital 18,000, shares of 100 each, 50 paid up, normal rate of return is 15%. Next come to the essay type questions. Explain different methods and objectives of valuation of goodwill. Explain different methods of valuation of shares. Explain the need for valuation of shares. Fourth question, the balance sheet of ABC Limited as on 31st March 2016. Liabilities, equity capital 10,000 shares, 100 each, 10 lakhs. Reserve 64 lakhs, 6,40,000. Profit and loss account 60,000. 10% debentures 4 lakhs. Current liabilities 3 lakhs. Overall 24 lakhs. And assets goodwill 50,000. Buildings 10 lakhs. Investment in 10% government bonds 5 lakhs. Current assets 4 lakh 10,000. Preliminary expenses 40,000. Overall 24 lakhs. The average profit after tax is 3,50,000. The marketing value of building is 12 lakhs and machinery was 3,50,000. Expected rate of return on investments is 15%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. Next, fifth question. Point out the statement below whether the expected rate of return is correct or not. Final question of Mr. Ashish is as follows. Particulars. Current liabilities 4,63,671. Average net profit of the last 4 years is 60,250. Average capital employed is 4,50,000. Partners average annual remuneration is 9,000. The goodwill valued at 4 years purchase of super profit 25,000. The expected rate of return is 15%. Okay, friends. Like it, we are having the questions. Both problems and questions will be there. Okay. Please try to write all the questions without leaving any questions. Okay. As my suggestion, try to prepare answer for all essay type problem oriented questions and short answer questions, and give also equal weightage to the theory questions also. Okay. Thank you one and all. Thank you.